So you're replacing the tie rods because the boots are broken, huh?
Here, I'll do it.
I can see it.
All
I
right.
got it. You have to hit it with a hammer or something, or pull it.
If you have a puller, I'd like to use it. Otherwise, I'll be smacking it with a hammer. And then everyone commenting will be like, "Oh, I'm glad you don't work on my car."
Since you're not reusing it, it won't really matter, right?
Yeah.
There might be a tie rod puller in there.
Alright.
I've got stuff like that. I would probably smack it.
Yeah.
So you're planning to use this one?
Yeah, that's the plan.
With this, does it use that big nut there?
I think so. Let's see if it'll even fit. Got 2-axis.
Yep.
Doesn't make sense. Oh, it pushes it.
Like you need to go on the upper one there. I think it goes the other way. Yeah.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
The problem is the boot, right?
Yeah.
Recording. Yeah, it did it.
There we go.
The best way.
Yeah. No special tools required. I'm gonna lift up the car. Screwdriver.
I guess they gave you new band clamps too.
They gave me 2. The other 2 were special order, and if I had ordered them, it would have delayed the entire shipment.
You have to have a special tool to put that thing back on? The band clamp? Or do you use zip ties?
I have 2 clamps, and there is this tool for them, but I've used zip ties plenty of times.
Yeah, it's just a piece of rubber, right?
Yeah. And if you separate the inner and the outer, then you can remove the boot, which you would have to do to unscrew the old part. I'm just going to cut away this boot to get access. It's faster than me separating these 2 pieces.
Oh yeah. Do you have to put a wrench? I guess you have to put a wrench on the shaft too, right? To keep it
You're
from...
probably supposed to. What I do also is I'll pull it in more, more. That's too much.
Yeah.
But I pull it in because I don't want it hanging way out and That'll give me a lot of leverage on it, and then I can bend it.
I think I'd
You
put
know,
a
for
wrench
one.
on this back part. It looks like it's squared to keep it from forcing onto the your rack. Is that the special tool there?
Yeah. I can already tell you I'm not going to use it for removing it, at least, because I would have to separate it for this to go on, I think, unless I can finagle it. Oh, there we go. Just have to get rid of this.
But it goes all the way up to that, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, the ball looks kind of loose.
Yeah, when I shook it down, it's tight, but it's definitely under a lot more forces when I drive it than when I just am shaking it. There was one guy I worked with, the only thing he knew how to do really was replace tie rods. Mm-hmm. And every time he looked at a car, he would go like this. And if the tie rod was able to move, he would say it was bad. And then he would recommend a new one.
Huh.
And he sold a bunch of tie rods like that until the manager one day came out all mad and he was like, why are you recommending tie rods on everything you look at?
That rubber piece, you have to save that.
It came with the new one.
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is.
This might not even work.
You might need to expose a little more.
Let me see what happens when I put torque on it.
I think you might need to expose a little more of the of that shaft so you can move your backup wrench back a little bit.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a ½ inch. Yeah, this definitely did not have Loctite on it.
Where are you gonna put Loctite up there?
On the threads.
Where you're spinning now?
Yeah. So it's gonna be this one.
Mm-hmm. You kind of go ahead and set up the links.
No, because I have to separate this because the new boot can't go on unless the inner and outer are separated.
I think they got it tighter to snug.
Snug. Look how fine the threads are.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty wild.
You don't Loctite that in, dude.
No, no. I actually like to put grease on it. So when I align the car in the future, it won't be all bound
Clunky.
up.
Yeah. Was that a bad idea?
On these, the flats aren't even opposite each other.
Oh, yeah.
You see that?
You need a special kind of wrench or something?
I guess.
Yeah, they're triangular.
Yeah.
Well, that's no good.
Where'd Carly go?
I don't know. Sometimes. When you go to tighten them, can you tighten that one against the one on the other side? Or is it, would the threads work that way?
What do you mean?
With a wrench, like have a wrench tightening, to tighten that against that side?
Yeah, I guess I could. It would be like
Tweaking it?
torquing the whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it would be better or not.
Yeah.
Looks like this may have came with clamps. I guess the ones I ordered are superfluous. It's actually going to be a problem. Yeah, this, I don't have a tool for that.
Mm-hmm.
Unless there's like a trim tool
I have a
that
tool that
pinches
does
it.
that.
Oh, okay.
You want me to find it for you?
Sure.
Commit.
You've got grease out here, right?
There's some inside if you want it.
I throw it all up on there, and then I drop it down, and then I can eyeball it.
Yeah.
And then I can quickly just lift it back up and make some changes as I need to. Oh, that's nice.
It worked good.
Yeah. Works good. I like how you can do it sideways as well.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I can see why they use those.
Yep.
They just work. Why are you crying?
Made by Nipix in Germany.
Oh, okay.
Those things are pretty nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just make sure the car doesn't come off the lift.
It won't. I bet if this had the M Sport suspension, it would go right up in there.
Oh, I see. This one droops a lot more.
Yeah.
That's good these days.
Yeah.
This one's the car you want in the third world countries.
Right.
Like Chicago or something like that.
Okay. I don't want to put too much force on that because it's not really designed for it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's cold out here, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to do this last night, but I went outside and I was like, nah, I ain't doing all that.
Yeah, it would have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
It's pretty cold out here now.
Yeah.